loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey, and if you can't tell from this big old smile, I'm excited, you guys. I have a huge announcement that I want to bring to you guys. It has been long overdue and a lot of work, but I've put together this amazing series that I'm starting on my YouTube channel called DIY Brides, okay? And I'm going to be selecting a select group of women, 5 women on my YouTube channel who are interested in being part of my series. What that will entail is that I will assist you in creating a beautiful wedding on a budget, okay? And it doesn't even have to be on a budget. I want to help you out with your wedding decor from A to Z. Everything from your welcome sign to your centerpieces, your guest signing table, your ring pillow, whatever it is. I want to help you out with that, okay? So if you're a DIY bride and you live in the Atlanta area and you're interested in being part of my YouTube series, please comment below or email me at chanellenovosey@outlook.com. Also, you can follow me at Chanelle Novosey on Instagram as well as Facebook, where I'll also be taking the inquiries to select the women who will be chosen for this amazing series. This series will be documented, so I will have a professional videographer following us around, and if we need to go to stores, if we're meeting up with vendors, whatever it is, I'm going to have someone document that, and it's going to be so much fun. It gives you the ability to be on my YouTube channel as a guest, and also it gives me the opportunity to help you out with your wedding. I'm so excited to announce this. I really hope for an outpour of individuals who want to be a part of this series. It's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait to show you guys this content. If you're excited for this, be sure to comment below. Let me know what you think. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on having an elaborate, beautiful, or even simple and beautiful wedding, okay? And if you have the money for it, sure, but why not save that money for your honeymoon? That is my whole purpose of this YouTube channel, is to bring you event design at a very affordable cost so that you won't go in debt over a wedding. I've seen so many people talk about paying for weddings months and years after their wedding, and hey, you can get it done at a very cheap cost, okay? And I just want to show you guys how to make your weddings beautiful. And if you are just going to be a viewer, I cannot wait to show you guys this content. I can't wait to show you guys my interactions with these brides and show you how to really plan a wedding in real life, okay? I'm so excited to do this, and I cannot wait to meet you guys, alright? So I'm done rambling. I'm so excited. Please comment below. Let me know if you know someone or you are someone who is getting married in 2019 and you want me to help you out. I am so excited. Okay, I'm closing this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you all really soon on this new exciting adventure. Bye.